I wanted to show off this functional print. It's a mount for a display or head unit. I'm not sure if it's strong enough because these studs are quite small, and yeah, I didn't use the most optimal print orientation. So the mount works. Might make a cover in black to hide the wires and to make it clean, but it works for now. I can still see the old screen. The grill is still the AC is still usable. Right now I'm not using Android Auto because it doesn't work well on my phone.